Build a multi-million-dollar enterprise for the kingdom. This is Business Architecture for Kingdom Ambassadors. Small Business to Major Business: The Process 1. The E-Myth is a book written by Michael Gerber more than 25 years ago, but its revelations are so profound that it seems it was written just yesterday. The E-Myth, or Entrepreneurial Myth, is the belief that you can run a business just because you are good with particular skills such as baking, auto mechanics, computer programming, app development, designing, or a myriad of other skills. It is true that you must have a strong desire to share your skills with your customers, but running a successful business is a lot more than just possessing a marketable skill. The essence of Gerber's revelations. Most small business owners work in their business rather than on their business. They primarily think about getting more produce or services and earning more money. People who are exceptionally good in business are so because of their insatiable need to know more. 2. They understand the continuous learning is really the key to their success. Understanding the technical work of a business does not mean you understand a business that does, or provides, that technical work. Business research has revealed that many small businesses fail because of situations occurring in the business itself, not outside forces. Who controls the activities inside the business? The owner and the affiliates. A further analysis shows that the perspective of the owner, as you control the operation, is hindering business development. Your focus is on the technical skills you bring to the enterprise. For example, you may be an expert accountant, baker, computer scientist, plumber, or carpenter experiencing great success with your skill. However, as the demands of the business increase, various functions are not attended to, such as planning and projecting resources for hiring competent workers and serving more customers. This also includes the negligence of critically important administrative functions. When this much is left undone, the business fails. Critical functions must be managed and performed for fortifying and sustaining a business, which makes basic management skills extremely important for serious business founders. The key is changing your perspective, mindset, and skills. The perspective of a major business founder. Considering the business environment for my discipline, I think I'll create a niche that's different. How should my business work in today's environment? I've checked my major competitors and I see they are not offering what I want to offer. I'll be different. What are my competitors doing that I should know about? Internet searches make this task easily accomplished. People really need my product/service. It's not as available as it should be. I want to make a difference. What meaning can we bring to the marketplace? The contributions to society the business will make is taken into consideration and held as guiding principles in the business. I'm projecting 5 to 10 years down the road. I see my business making a significant contribution to my discipline in the years to come. What should my business look like in the future? A vision of the future is carefully described and used as business targets. I'm using my planning time to document the process for getting to the targets according to my timelines. What strategy should I adopt to get to that vision? An analysis of where you are in the business building process, what targets you wish to reach and how you are going to reach those targets is thought through, designed and documented. This is your strategy. Standardized systems will help me offer excellent quality to my customers on a consistent basis. What systems should be in place to ensure consistent results that satisfy customers and create the best results? These will be routine ways of running the business that can be easily repeated in all important operations. Examples would be a product/service delivery system, marketing system, a financial system, or a customer service system that works the same every time unless changes are needed to stay ahead of the game. Understanding the technical work of a business does not mean you understand a business that does, or provides, that technical work. Gerber. This is Business Architecture for Kingdom Ambassadors. influence the world with your kingdom-based enterprise? Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit www.geniuscoretraining.com for superior skills and knowledge. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.